Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. Welcome to this great listing in Laguna Beach at 31910 9th Avenue. This property is just one block up from famed Thousand Steps Beach, which is one of the most pristine beaches in all of Orange County. This is a unique property that hasn't been on the market for over 20 years. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with spectacular ocean views, you need to take a look at this property. It's full of custom upgrades. Let's go inside and take a look. As I enter the home, the first thing I noticed is the floor-to-ceiling glass walls. This is spectacular. You have ocean views from basically the whole mid-level here. The house is kind of a modern industrial feel to it with a concrete fireplace. Then you go into the modern kitchen with this industrial polished concrete and stainless steel countertops. And then also next to that is an adjoining bedroom with a bathroom. And so this whole level here is an amazing area, and it's all highlighted by these great ocean views. Now that we've seen the first level, let's go upstairs. So here we are in this master bedroom. I just imagine laying here, waking up to this ocean view, smelling the salt air. It's incredible. From here, we have a remodeled modern master bathroom, which is gorgeous. And this has another view out this way to Catalina Island, a walk-in closet. From here, we go out into a large viewing deck, which I can imagine watching the sunset. It's just gorgeous. This is a gorgeous master bedroom. I wouldn't want to leave. So adjacent to the master bedroom is another ensuite room with remodeled bathroom. Your guests are gonna love that. So here we are on the deck off the master bedroom suite. I mean, I can see having a cappuccino here in the morning with a nice little croissant, or a nice bottle of Cabernet in the afternoon watching the sunset. This is amazing. Let's go downstairs and look at the backyard. So walking down from the kitchen, we're in the backyard and we're going down to the 2-car attached garage, which is a heck of a feature. But before we get into the garage, we have something very special to show you and very unique. Boy, it's a heavy door. Inside here, we have a 1,000-bottle climate-controlled wine cellar. Take a look. That smells wonderful. Having a yard in Laguna Beach is unique, so this is a great welcome surprise to have a nice side yard. It gets sun. You can have a victory garden here, a play area for the kids. So if you're looking for a spectacular, unique home in Laguna Beach, don't let this one get away from you. Get a hold of your agent, call them as soon as possible. This property will not last long. Take care and be safe.